The Redragon K552, Amazon's most popular mechanical keyboard, and that is for a reason. It is cheap, it is said to be very, very good. I don't know if it is or if it's not. I read the reviews, and some of them said the key stopped working, and most of them said that it was a fabulous keyboard. So today we're going to be checking out whether or not it is a fabulous keyboard, because it is a very popular keyboard. It is said to be very good and cheap. Cheap, good. They don't always come together, especially if you shop at Dollarama. I mean, like, that is just a fact. But today we're going to be taking a look at the Redragon K552. I bought it from Amazon, and let's see if it's good or not. Yeah, let's do the unboxing first. So I think it is safe to say that the Redragon K552 sounds pretty good. It came with red switches equivalent to that of the Cherry MX Reds, and it feels absolutely amazing. It is also a very heavy, which I guess is due to the metal plating, and it is very high quality. The keycaps feel okay-ish, I guess, not the best. If you want, you could upgrade the keycaps. It also came with a keycap puller, and is actually very, very handy. It's actually not bad. And I just wanted to say again that the red switches on this thing is actually very, very similar to the Cherry MX. It is hot swappable, and it is, as of right now, one of the best keyboards I've ever used, for the price, of course. I did use another blue switch keyboard, and well, it was clicky and it was satisfying. This thing definitely matches that level at a way lower price point, so I think that is really, really sick. If you guys ended up enjoying the video, make sure you go down there, leave a like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below how much you liked it. And maybe I will make a long-term review in the future if you guys really want. But as of right now, see you next time.